Now in Orbe, you can welcome your customers based on their location. This means you can adapt your welcome pop-up to match your shopper's country and language, creating a personalized experience from the start. Customize welcome messages to build trust and answer common questions such as the shipping threshold for the location, local payment options, duties and taxes information, return policy per country, and any custom message you want to add. Let's look at how it works. Imagine your main store is in the United Kingdom, but a customer from Germany visits for the first time. They could initially see the default storefront of your primary country, but Orbe's welcome pop-up will step in, guiding them to the German version of your store, while also displaying important information in the preferred language, like local payment options, shipping threshold for Germany, or whether taxes and duties are included or not. Setting your customized welcome pop-up for each market is quick and easy. You can do it in just minutes. Welcome your international customers like never before and build trust from the first interaction. Install and try Orbe now on your Shopify store.